In this video, we will discuss about what is Web 3.0 and why does it matter. The internet is a constantly evolving technology that continues to innovate. So far, we have experienced Web 1.0 and 2.0, and there is much discussion of what to expect from Web 3.0. Web 1.0 provided a static experience for users without the ability to create the content rich sites we have today. Web 2.0 brought us together with the social media and dynamic websites, but at the cost of centralization. Web 3.0 looks to give us control of our online information and also create a semantic web. This means that machines will easily read and process user generated content. Blockchain will provide the power of decentralization, free digital identities with crypto wallets and open digital economies. The way the ways we interact with the internet will become more immersive with 3D option available. The benefits to the users also include efficient browsing, relevant advertising and improved customer support. Some of the most widely used Web 3.0 technology can be seen with virtual assistants like Siri and Alexa and connected smart homes. Into over the past 20 or so years, the internet has changed dramatically. We have gone from internet relay chat to modern social media platforms, basic digital payments to sophisticated online banking services. We have even experienced brand new internet based technologies like crypto and blockchain. The internet has become a vital part of human interactions and connectivity and continues to evolve. So far, we have seen Web 1.0 and 2.0, but what exactly should we accept from Web 3.0? Let's dive into details and see what's in store for us. What is Web 3.0? Web 3.0 is the next generation of internet technology that heavily relies on machine learning, artificial intelligence, and blockchain technology. The term was created by Gavin Wood, Polkadot's founder and co-founder of Ethereum, while Web 2.0 focuses on users created content hosted on centralized websites. Web 3.0 will give users more control of their online data. The movement aims to create open, connected, intelligent websites and web apps with an improved machine based understanding of data. Decentralization and digital economies also play an important role in Web 3.0 as they allow us to place value on the content created on the net. It's also important to understand that Web 3.0 is a changing concept. There is no single definition and its exact meaning can differ from person to person. How does Web 3.0 work? Web 3.0 aims to provide personalized and relevant information faster through the use of AI and advanced machine learning techniques. Smarter search algorithms and development in big data analytics will mean that machines can intuitively understand and recommend content. Web 3.0 will also focus on user ownership of content and support for accessible digital economies. Current websites typically display static information or user driven content, like forums or social media. While this allows data to be published to the masses, it does not cater to specific users' needs. A website should tailor the information it provides to each user, similar to dynamism if real world human communication. With Web 2.0, once this information is online, users lose ownership and control. Another key figure in the Web 3.0 concept is computer scientist Tim Berners-Lee, the World Wide Web inventor. He provided his idea of a web future in 1919. He said that I have a dream for the web become capable of analyzing all the data and the web, the content links, and the transactions between people and computers. A semantic web which makes this possible has yet to be emerged, but when it does, the day-to-day mechanism of trade, bureaucracy, and our daily lives will be handled by machines talking to machines. Berners-Lee's vision has since combined with Gavin Wood's message. Here, an ocean of decentralized information will be available to websites and applications. They will understand and use the data meaningfully. With individual users, blockchain acts as a solution of managing this online identity, data, and ownership in fair manner.